Cruising down these back roads, dust kicking up behind. This old truck ain't fancy, but it's been a faithful ride. From the sunrise to the sunset, through the fields and downtown. It ain't much to look at, but it never lets me down.
Windows down, wind in our hair, the world's our symphony. And this old truck is just you and me.
This old truck ain't much, but it gets us where we need to go. With your hand in mine, every mile's a country song. Saturday nights, stars above, sitting on the hood so fine. Your love is mine, under that old moonlight shine.
Memories carved in leather seats, radio playing our song. Rusted paint, worn out tire, but it tells our story true.
Every dent and scratch, every mile, just me and you. Through the storms and clear skies, this truck's seen it all. With every mile marker pass, we're riding our own tale. And this old truck loves a journey, never setting sail. So here's to the highways and the dirt roads we roam. In this old truck we found our place to call home. With each sunset we chase and every sunrise we see, this old truck and your love, they're all I'll ever need. This old truck ain't much, but it gets us where we need to go. With your hand in mine, every mile's a country song. Saturday nights, stars above, sitting on the hood so fine. Your love is mine, under that old moonlight shine. And this old truck will keep on driving through. And with you by my side, there's no road we can't pursue. This old truck and your love, they're all I'll ever need. With you by my side, there's nowhere I'd rather be. And this old truck will keep on driving through. With you by my side, there's no road we can't pursue. This old truck and your love, you're all I'll ever need. With you by my side, there's nowhere